Hello, I'm Janae Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with a special focus on what's happening in the US this morning. US borrowers rushed to lenders last week amid anxiety over new mortgage regulations and following the Fed's decision not to raise interest rates. Mortgage Bankers Association data shows mortgage applications increased by more than 25% last week compared to the previous week. While this is a significant increase, mortgage application volumes are still running historically low. Moody's rating agency has upheld the US's AAA rating, citing strong GDP growth and the status of the US dollar as the global reserve currency benchmark. Moody's, which has never changed the US's rating, indicated its stable outlook means the rating isn't likely to change over the next 12 to 18 months. However, it's noted a downgrade could occur within the next 10 years if fiscal policy doesn't change and the US budget deficits and the debt ratios increase. Oil prices seesawed overnight, closing slightly higher than the previous day. The volatility was sparked by the release of a US Energy Information Administration report, which shows US crude inventories rose much more than expected last week as refiners reduced inputs and idled capacity. This rise in stocks more than offsets the fall in crude exports the US reported last week. The US benchmark oil price is now just below $49 a barrel, while Brent crude is at $51 a barrel. The gold price is down slightly to $1,143 an ounce. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year benchmark inched higher today to 2.07%. The New Zealand dollar has settled after spiking against all major currencies overnight. It's still up nearly a cent compared to this time yesterday to 66.2 US cents. It settled at 91.7 Australian cents after reaching 92.1 Australian cents, and is up 7 basis points to 58.8 euro cents. The TWI 5 is now at 70.6. Yesterday's favourable global dairy trade auction result and a supposedly good outcome from Trans-Pacific Partnership negotiations has prevented the New Zealand dollar from weakening in the same way our other currencies have. I'm Janae Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.